Tonight I'm feeling hey,
Feeling real heavy.
lights down low. It's C4, baby. Each time we do,
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Peace, good peoples. What's going on with you? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. First off, shouts out to you for watching my video. Glad that you could be here with me. You could have been anywhere else in the world. Alright? Secondly, shout out to the Turner team. You know how we rock. Big arms up. Hey, tonight I had the opportunity to spar with somebody I've been listening to and rocking with I don't even know how long. I've always kind of looked to him for the hottest blends, you know what I mean? Like, he has always been, like, I can honestly say my favorite blend DJ. Other guys had did blends, but it was just like, I don't know, man. He just had a way of putting it together, and if you didn't know, I'm talking about Ted Smooth. So I want to say salute to everybody that was on live tonight, you know what I mean? Because it was monumental for me just to be able to go toe-to-toe with a figure that I've been rocking with for so long. And like I said, my favorite blend DJ. Like, man, y'all don't even know, like, my heart is pumping like mad fast right now just making this video. And I'm mad calm coming to the camera to make videos by now anyway, right? But I got some footage for you. I want you to check it out of me going toe-to-toe with the incomparable blend god, Ted Smooth. Salute. Peace, champ.
Got nobody on. Somebody on? Is my phone bugging again?
You?
Wrenchturna.
Peace. What's going on, brother? How you?
Let me see the flag. Let me see the flag, man. Come on, man. Let me see the flag. I don't want to mess it up. Is that a Haitian? Is that
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what?
Yes, sir.
Come on. I'm supposed to say. Hold on. I'm supposed to say sapase.
Yes, sir.
And
I'm
you
a
supposed
boobali.
to say?
I'm a boobali.
Where you did that? Hold on. That was fancy. Isn't it nabule?
You can say nabule. Like, it all depends on what part of Haiti you're from. Like, yeah.
Okay.
It's about dialects, brother.
All right. So I'm Dominican. So I'm right next to y'all. So we brothers.
Right.
Yeah.
I wasn't born. I was born here. You know what I'm saying? My grandpops came here from there. No slavery, no nothing. He chose to come here.
Okay. Salute that. Where you from? Where you located at for the people?
I'm located in NC, originally from Queens.
North Carolina.
Yeah.
I was just down in Atlanta, man. North Carolina's right there. I could have done a little stop.
Been rocking with you for years, brother. So salute first and foremost. And me saying that I want smoke is no disrespect to you.
Nah. You want smoke, son. You want smoke. So I'm gonna tell you. So I literally got to get out of here in 7 minutes. So I don't know how much smoke. I mean, in 7 minutes, if we play one blend every minute,
Yeah.
probably. You know what I'm saying? So you trying to get at me? You trying to come on live having a blend battle anywhere blend battle? Okay. Well, here's your opportunity. Let's go.
All right.
Round one.
What you want first? Hip hop or R&B?
No. I'm telling you what I want. I want you to go for yours.
All right. Well, we're gonna jump off like this then.
I got the magic stick. I know if I can hit once, I can hit twice. I hit the baddest chicks. Sure they don't believe me, they call me tonight, and I show you magic. What? Magic. I got the magic stick. I'm a freak to the core. Get a dose once, you gon' want some more. My tongue touch your girl, your toes bound to curl. Huh? This exclusive stick, I don't share with the world. Let's go. I had you up early in the morning, back shots, proper the low, can't stop us. Been a fiend for this, is rock him, made hits, get the position down packed. Then it's time to switch. I rock the boat, I work the middle, I speed it up, straight beat it up. What we doing?
Okay. Oh, and you hit me with the little spin back and all that? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna retaliate with 50 Cent back to back. So, and since you Haitian and you know you part of the islands and all that, I know you going. You know what I mean? Oh.
She want it, I can tell she want it. Only love push up on it, cause she know that I'm all on it.
Ladies!
Party going, liquor flowing, this is fire. 50 and Jeremiah, #1, there's nothing higher. Get it. I see you, baby. Quick it. Won't you just put it down, though? Get it. Put it down, though.
I just got old straight face.
Okay, she headed to the dance floor and she slowly started popping it. Something like my wrist piece, everybody got to watching it. Girl, you got that secret treasure, I'm gon' put a lock on it. Don't care what they say, I would be stupid 59 on this. Heard you got that shit. Oh. Let's go and take 9 shots, we'll just call it 50.
You get the idea.
Hey, I think that was about tied up right there, Ted. You know what I mean?
Oh, shit, hold on.
That was a jump right there.
Who the people got? Real quick, who the people got? I love the confidence, baby.
Yeah, I mean, I dig it.
Yo, the first person to comment. Oh, see, there go right there. See,
oh, man, come on, man. Somebody should have rocked with me, man. Like, come on now.
I don't know. I mean, you know, come on, round 2, let's get it.
Round 2, let's go. All right, so that was then. I'm gonna bring it up, and you know, we're gonna go to another genre, all right?
Let's do it.
Hey, yo, let me see some fire on this one right here.
You got it, it ain't no question.
Huh? Let me see some fire on this one right here.
No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. No,
Let's go.
it's that you don't take me for granted. Yeah, it's so hard to think you could manage. Yeah, I hope you and me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give it me some. All this that you wanted me for. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. You telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time for whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me,
let's go, Tess, boy.
You could do damage.
Okay, that was smooth. You know, and you think you're slick. You try to get the ladies on your side. You think you slick. Yo, but if you know me, my middle name is, I got an answer for that. Let's go, brand new Fat Joe. Brand new Fat Joe.
21.
Okay.
Oh, we gonna bring the light in, you know?
This ain't even out yet.
Al Boogie Lorena.
All right.
Woo! Chest full, straight face. You remember? Break it down. Hold on. Break it
She
down.
want that old thing back. Pretty young thing with that old Jeep crack.
Oh!
Straight savage when I
Little mama in the building. Little mama, what's up,
got
girl?
to the deli.
All right.
And then he stuck in the feds. Said he gon' kill me.
Little mama dancing right now. I can't
We
see you
went
that.
fast at the sight.
That 2-step.
Only G7s when the flights apart.
Come on.
Fast Pecos and Turks and Caicos.
Come on.
Never did on the first to break those.
You hear that bounce?
Not back to Caicos. Throw your rollies in the sky. My guys will take those.
Hey.
Lower east side, I'm up and nearby.
Come on.
See me on the floor with Obi courtside. Baddies on deck, you know I'm loving them. Still in the meeting with Callie. I love it.
Yeah. What we doing? Who won that round? Who won that round?
Hey, yo, that was nice, but I think I'm up on you, Ted.
Oh,
I think I'm up on you, champ. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Hey, what the people are saying? You know what I mean? I seen some fire on that joint.
Your cousin said 1-1. Your cousin D-Lo 718. He said 1-1. Your cousin. All right, let's go. Let's go. This is yo, check it. This is the tiebreaker. This is the tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker?
Yeah,
all right.
I'm gonna give you one. Right. Tiebreaker. Yo, hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Yo, Lil Mama, stay on for this last round, Lil Mama. We gonna let Lil Mama decide who got the hottest blend this round. You ready?
All right.
Go ahead, let's go.
Hey, Lil Mama, rock with me. You know, rock with me for real. Hey, I'm about to kill Ted right now. He gonna want to do this again right here.
Come on.
So let's run it. Rest in peace. PAC. Like I said, we're gonna keep it current, all right? Huh? You gonna keep it current, all right?
What we got?
Let's talk to him.
Give you all of my attention. It's straight shots, no champagne sipping tonight. Kind of night at Netflix to this massage. Ready and turn that shit off. Cause I love to hear you cussing at me. Like, oh shit, baby, too deep.
We not out here playing.
You never felt in the wind touch. I never loved. I didn't love you. Smile, you love.
Better come with it, Ted Smooth.
I don't want nobody else. I really want you to love.
Like that one.
Thank you, brother.
I like that one. Everybody fire emoji on that. I like that one.
Appreciate it, brother. Y'all, hey, yo, subscribe to my YouTube, man. I'm doing things over there.
Run it up.
Hey, I'm trying to come up. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Yo, come subscribe to me. I'm gonna be doing DJ stuff, MC stuff. I talk about cars. I'm actually a Wrenchturna in real life. I build motorcycles, Ted Smooth. Come down to NC, come see me. I'll build you some, champ.
Yo, everybody follow Wrenchturna after this, man. The man came in here. He about to be out of here, but he left with some smoke. Okay? He left with some smoke. Yo, listen. No, I appreciate that one. But damn, you try to talk to ladies too much. That's my lane right there. Yo, that's my lane right there, man. Whoa. Hey, yo, hold on. Hey, yo, hold on.
Black bandanas. I say it's champagne.
What we talking about?
I did the dance. You did that. Singing and dancing all in my.
Everybody go. Watch the breakdown.
Turn around, get inside. Way else down to the right.
Come on. You remember?
Drop.
No, wait till that beat drop. Hold on.
Turn around and clap.
Come on.
To the left, slide. Up and down, low.
Hey, yo.
Bring it up, tap it, roll. Step on.
Hit the clap. Hey.
Hey, man, I honestly feel like at the end of this battle, it's tied up. You know what I mean? So I feel like we're going to have to do another battle. You know what I mean?
No.
To even the playing field.
I can't give you that. Little mama, where you at? Little mama, where you at?
Hey.
No.
Ted,
I want no little mama.
Look, Ted, you came with the heat, champ. You came with the heat. I think we need to do another one just to, you know, make it right.
I know you got your people's cash app and little mama right now, but they ain't gonna know. Little mama, who won that battle? Oh man, Ted Smooth got the battle. Oh Lord.
Hey, they said Ted Smooth got the round. You know what I mean? But hey, it's tied up.
That was the tiebreaker. We agreed that was the tiebreaker.
Oh man.
Did we not agree?
You said something a little more about the tiebreaker. You know what I mean? But
I said, all right, I'll give you one. Tiebreaker, you said yes. Hey, listen, man. Yo, ain't that many dudes go tiebreaker with Ted Smooth, man?
I know. Hey, salute, bro. You know what I mean? And I just feel like, you know, where it's sitting at right now, I feel like we would have to, you know, do this again, you know, on a different.
Maybe. Well, you know what? All right, so I'm gonna tell you this. So you know my blend battles I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
Blend for blend. We doing it at the garage. Yo, if you want to come up March 27th,
okay.
Battle. If you want to drive up from North Carolina and be my special guest at the battle, you get to be inside the venue.
Okay.
You get to witness it right then and there. I'm gonna do it. I'll do that for you because I appreciate your support and I appreciate your confidence. So if you want to do that, I'll let you in the building. Trust me, everybody trying to get in the building, and we, you know what I mean. Yo, shoot me a DM. If you want to come up, shoot me a DM, man, and I make sure you be in the building. You know what I mean?
I am, brother. Hey, it's nothing. That's 5 days after my born day. You know what I mean? And my company, me and my son's company, Boston Bridges, we're dropping a new lotion on March 22nd. So I can come up there and celebrate. It's nothing. I'd be glad to be back in the city, champ.
Yeah, man. And pause. Bring some of that lotion.
Hey, it's nothing. Look, I bring you a care package. You know what I'm saying?
Because, you know, that's love.
You know, I need to bring you a care package because, you know what I mean? I know I made you a little sick tonight. So I would definitely bring you a care package, bro. You know what I mean?
Okay. Yo, Wrenchturna, thanks for coming on, man. It was a lot of fun. I appreciate it. Brother.